What's up, guys? Welcome back to Blondie's Garage. This is a Kawasaki Jet Mate, and we're getting ready to take it out to the lake. We're meeting my sister Kristen out there, and we're just gonna be having a great time. This Jet Mate's running better than ever, so it should be a fun ride. Hang on, and we'll see you out on the water. gonna totally bilge it out after that one.
It's not working, hit it. Ah, there it goes.
Oh, is it working?
Okay. Yeah, you're missing some sounds.
Dude, those CDs are cool.
Yeah.
Got a radio and everything. You like our bathtub?
We're over here like all cool and silent, and we're like, we don't even have music.
That's okay. We'll borrow theirs.
Sounds good.
Just need one size.
Huh?
One size. Yeah, this thing much water.
Yeah.
What happened?
Oh, we just got a little water. We're just bringing the water out.
Thank you. I love your Sea-Doos.
Thank you.
They're awesome.
By that little joystick?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Alright, I think it's done.
Sea-Doos love the Jet Mate. They're jealous of us too. Yeah. Can we go a little bit more while the sun's setting, babe, and then we can wrap it up?
Yeah, we're gonna need to prime it so we can...
Okay, will you sit up there with him real quick? Yeah. I'll prime it. Man, this thing is so much fun.
It is. You guys are lucky to have it. It's like a little, like a mini boat. You know, like a mini boat.
Yeah.
It's like fun size.
Right, good.
Okay. Okay. Okay, we good? We good. Alright sis, what'd you think of the Jet Mate?
I had a blast.
You love it?
Yes.
What do you think? Is it more of a boat or more of a jet ski? What would you say?
We're like a mini boat.
Mini boat?
Yep.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. All good things must come to an end. We got work tomorrow. It's getting dark. But we had a blast. There's your shoes.
Thank you.
I need my Crocs. Oh. Alright, hang on, we're getting pulled out. Alrighty guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to give us a huge thumbs up if you did. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of the Jet Mate, and we'll see you in the next video.